Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to disable comments on your YouTube videos on your iPhone. Very easy to do. Now it's not done on the YouTube app, it's actually done in the YouTube Studio app. So if you haven't heard of the YouTube Studio app, it's a really great application to check the analytics and edit and comments of your videos. I use it all the time. So if you don't have YouTube Studio, head over to the App Store and download YouTube Studio. It's made by YouTube, so it's all legit. There's nothing wrong with the application whatsoever. Once you have it downloaded and you're signed into your YouTube account, you'll see this screen right here. It's called your dashboard that shows all your analytics and everything like that. So once you're on here, you want to click on the three lines in the top left corner. And then you want to click on your videos. And then all you want to do is go to a video that you want to disable the comments on. So I'll just click this one I just posted, for example. And then all you want to do is go up to the top right, and you see a little pencil, which is the editing sign. And then you just scroll down until you see comments. If you don't see it on your first page here, you just click on the next tab on here with a little settings icon in it, and you scroll down, and as you can see under comments, it says allow comments and ratings. So if you wanted to disable your comments or the ratings on the video, you could untab one of those and just click save in the top right. I'm cool with mine like this for now, but this is how you do disable it if you do want to. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.